x square plus x minus 7 greater than 5. Already we discussed the concept. Mod x greater than a. That means x is lesser than the lesser value, x is greater than the highest value. Mod x greater than a. X less than the lesser value, x greater than the greater value. So these nothing but this will result in two equations. X square plus x minus 7 is less than the lesser value. X square plus x minus 2 is less than 0. These are nothing but x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 less than 0. X into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2 less than 0. That means x plus 2 into x minus 1 less than 0. If it is less than means it lies between the roots. Minus 2 less than x less than 1. Minus 2 less than x less than 1. This is the first condition. Lesser than the lesser value, greater than the greater value. X square minus 7 greater than 5. X square plus x minus 12 greater than 0. These are nothing but, I'll just draw a line. X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 greater than 0. So these are nothing but x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4 greater than 0. X minus 3 into x plus 4 greater than 0. These are nothing but greater than means x is lesser than the lesser value, x is greater than the greater value. This and this intersection you have to take. Minus 2 less than x less than 1 means any value before minus 2, minus 1, 0. Minus 1, is it satisfying? Yes, that is satisfying. Right, 0, check it out whether it is satisfying. Intersection of these two values. Intersection of these two values. I hope the idea is clear. Mod x greater than a means x is less than minus a or x is greater than plus a. X less than minus a, x greater than plus a. So you do both the conditions and take the intersection. 17th, I hope it is clear. 18th question. X square plus 5 mod x plus 6 equivalent to 0. Mod x whole square plus 5 mod x plus 6 equivalent to 0. These are nothing but mod x plus 2 into mod x plus 3 equivalent to 0. This is how students will solve it. Mod x is nothing but minus 2 minus 3. Modulus can never give you negative value. Modulus output can never be negative value. That means answer is no value. Answer is no value. Modulus can never give you negative value. So answer is no value. You don't need to do it. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. X square plus 5 mod x plus 6 equivalent to 0. X square, x cannot be 0 because constant is there. X, if it is positive, positive on square is positive. Modulus always gives you positive. Positive. 6 is always positive. Positive, 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 I will get positive. Answer is positive. 0 is not positive. So answer for this question is no value of x exists satisfying this question. No value of x exists satisfying this question. I hope the idea is clear. Mod x I got minus 2 and minus 3. Modulus can never give you negative value. So the values of x cannot be negative. That means no value of x will satisfy the equation. Another way to solve the question. X square plus 5 mod x plus 6 is 0. X square is positive. Mod x always gives positive. Positive, positive, positive. Answer is positive. 0 cannot be positive. 18th question. 19th one. X square minus 5 mod x plus 6 equivalent to 0. Mod x whole square minus 5 mod x plus 6 is 0. These are nothing but mod x minus 2 into mod x minus 3 equivalent to 0. Mod x is nothing but 2. From 0 it travels 2 units forward, 2 units backward. Mod x equivalent to 3. That means it travel 3 units forward or 3 units backward. Totally 4 values of x are possible satisfying this equation. 19th question, I hope it is clear. 19th one, slowly we will move to the advanced level. Now listen carefully to the advanced level. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 2 equivalent to 4. I will solve this problem in as many methods as possible. Then I will tell you which method you have to choose. Method 1. Method 1. Generic method. Generic method. Generic method. This is how most of the students will solve it. What are the critical points of x? Critical points of x are, if x minus 3 is 0, x will become 3. If x plus 2 is 0, x will become minus 2. Minus 2 is always to the left of 3. So it is minus 2, 3. This generic method is based on the definition of modulus. This generic method is based on the definition of modulus. What is the definition of a modulus? It is nothing but a distance from a given point. It is nothing but a distance from a given point. Now there are 3 cases that will come. What are the first case? Case 1. Let it be a point to the left of minus 2. There exist 3 cases. A point could be to the left of minus 2. A point could be from minus 2 to 3. A point could be to the right of 3. Am I right? So if it is to the left of minus 2, mod x plus 2, from here to here, the distance is d. Mod x minus 3, definition of a modulus is the distance from a given point. From here to here. From here to here is 5 and here to here is d. So it is 5 plus d equivalent to 4. 2d equivalent to minus 1. Distance can never be negative. Distance can never be negative. Case 1 is not possible. I hope it is clear. What is case 1? Case 1 is if a value is there to the left of minus 2. Suppose minus 2 and 3. Suppose if there is a value between minus 2 to 3. Case 2. Mod x, let these distance be d. D plus mod x minus 3 means this entire distance will be 5 minus d. Yes or no? Because from minus 2 to 3 the gap is 5. If this is d, this remaining will become 5 minus d. D plus 5 minus d equivalent to 4. 5 equivalent to 4, not possible. Case 2 also it is not possible. I took a value to the left of minus 2. I took a value from minus 2 to 3. What is the third case? Let there be a point. Case 3. Let there be a point to the right of 3. If I call this point, let this distance be d. First one mod x minus 3 means a distance from a given point. Mod x plus 2 from here to here. This is d and it is 5. 5 plus d equivalent to 4, which is 2d equivalent to minus 1. Distance can never be negative. Case 1 is not possible. Case 2 is not possible. Case 3 is not possible. Answer for this question is no value of x. No value of x satisfies the equation. No value of x satisfies the equation. No value of x satisfies the equation. But method 1 you are not expected to use it right in the examination. Method 1 is over. Totally for this problem I will discuss 3 methods. You choose any method which you will take less time to solve. Method 1. Method 1 takes less time, more time to solve. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. gap method. Gap method. Very logical method. Gap method is considered to be the best method. Method 2. It is considered to be the best method or a logical method. What is method gap 2? Now see here. What are the critical points of x? One is -2. What is another point? 3. Let assume that there is a person who is standing at point A. There is a person who is standing at point B. There are 3 cases that are possible. A will come to B. A and B will travel. B will come to A. B and A can travel. Or A and B can come together in the opposite direction. If they come together in opposite direction, -2 to 3. -2 to 3, the gap is 5. Any point they meet between -2 and 3, the total distance will be 5. If I consider it as a D, this will become 5 minus D. That means for them to meet in between 2 and 3, what is the total distance they need to travel? 5. But according to the question, what is the total distance in right hand side? 4. That means between they cannot meet. Between only they are not meeting. Think logically. If A comes to B, what is -2 to 3? 5. After traveling 5, they still need to cover more. But how much I want? 4. For A to meet B, I need to travel minimum 5. Only if I travel 5, I will meet B. But according to the question, it is 4. That means A cannot come to B. B has to come to A. 3 to -2. Total distance traveled is 5. Minimum in the question is 4. But according to my gap method, I am getting 5. So answer is no value. That means no value. No value of x exists. That means this question is telling me the important value that the minimum distance for A to B, A going to B or B going to A or A and B meeting has to be 5. Any value less than 5 in the right hand side of the question, I will get no value of x exists. Any value less than 5 in the right hand side of the answer, I will get the answer no value of x exists. Greater than 5, yes, I will get the answer. How I will get the answer? That we will see it in the next few questions. Method 2, I hope it is clear. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. What is method 3? Method 3 is coordinate geometry method. Coordinate geometry method. This is also a very logical method which will help you to determine the answer. If I take x as -2, -2 minus 3 is 5. -2 plus 2 is 0. So which is 5? First point is -2 comma 5. If I take x value 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is 5. Another point is 3 comma 5. -2 comma 5 is for one critical point. 3 comma 5 is another critical point. I will see the behavior after 3. Let me take the next integral 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it is 7. The value of y has to be 4. That means this has to decrease, but it is increasing. Greater than 3, it is not possible. Let me take to the left of -2, -1. -1 minus 3 is -4, which is 4. -1 plus 2 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. I hope -1 if I take these 4, right? -1 plus 2, sorry, to the left of -3 is -3. This is where you will do mistake. I am taking -2, 3. This is over. Left of -2 is -3. Greater than 3 is 4. -3 if I take. -3 minus 3 is 6. Minus 3 plus 2 is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 comma 7. Value of y is growing. Here the value of y is growing. Here the value of y is growing. Here the value remains the same. But I need 4. Answer is no value of x exists. No value of x exists satisfying the equation. I hope the idea is clear. Using a coordinate geometry method. What is a coordinate geometry method? Put x equivalent to minus 2, put x equivalent to 3. You will get the end points. See the behavior greater than 3. See the behavior less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 you can see, greater than 3 you can see. 20th, I hope it is clear. 21st. Now distance method will help you to tell the answer orally. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x plus 2 is 5. X plus 2 0 means it is minus 2. X minus 3 0 is it is 3. These two, a person is standing at minus 2, another person is standing at 3. Now see here. If A and B meet, what is the minimum distance? 5. In between they can meet. In between means minus 2 less than x less than 3. If A goes to B, minus 2 to 3 is 5. I will stop there because I want to 5. So it can be equivalent to. B goes to A, 3 to minus of minus 2 is 5. That also is possible. Answer is minus 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 3. Just by looking at a question, if you know the gap method, you can solve it very easily. Gap method. So I will get the answer from minus 2 to 3. Minus 2 to 3, the gap is 5. In between they meet from minus 2 to 3. I will get gap 5. Minus 2 comes to 3. Minus 2 travels till 3. 5. X is 3. 3 comes to minus 2. Again it is 5. So either they can meet in between or they can meet at the end points. Therefore the answer is minus 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 3. I hope the idea is clear in 20th question. 21st question. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 is 20. A critical point is 3. Another critical point is 7. This is at A and it is at B. A goes to B. In between they cannot meet because 3 to 7 the total gap between 3 and 7 is 4. But the right hand side is 20. 20 is greater than 4. In between they cannot meet. A goes to B. 4 units traveled. From 7, 4 already traveled. Remaining 16 I need to travel. A and B both will travel. So 77 plus 16 by 2. B goes to A. 7 will go to 3. 4 units traveled to the left of 7. From 3, 4 units already traveled. I need to travel 16 units to the left of 3. 16 units to the left of 3 is a negative, minus 16 by 2. These 7 plus 8, 15. These 3 minus 8, minus 5. Answer is minus 5 or 15. Again I am explaining. X is there at point 3 or X is there at point 7. In between 3 and 7 they cannot meet because in between if they meet it is 4. In between not possible. Dead ends. 3 goes to 7. 4 traveled. From point 7. 4 already traveled. Remaining 16 is there. After A reaches B, A and B both will travel. So 16 by 2. B goes to A. 4 traveled. From point 3. 4 already traveled. Remaining is 16 units. Why I got minus? 16 units to the left of 3 is nothing but a negative sign. 3 minus 8 is nothing but minus 5. I hope the idea is clear. 21st. Next one. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 is 20. 3 also you can do it. X is there at point 1. X is there at point 3. X is there at point 7. In between is it possible? Just check. A will go to B, 2 traveled. C will go to B, 4 traveled. 2 plus 4 is 6. But I want 20. That means B cannot be the meeting point. A will go to C, 6 traveled. B will go to C, 4 traveled. Here 6 units traveled, here 4 units traveled. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 traveled. From point 7, I need to travel 10 more units. 10 units to the right of 7 is plus. A reached C, B reached C. 3 people are traveling. 7 plus 10 by 3. First answer. Second answer, C travels 6 units. B travels 2 units. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 already traveled. From point 1, 8 already traveled. 12 units to the left of 1, which is a negative. C reached A, B reached A. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 is one answer. 31 by 3 is another answer. 31 by 3 is one answer. Minus 3 is another answer. Please look at this question. Again I am explaining. There are 3 modulus functions. 1, 3 and 7. If A goes to B, meeting point could be either A or B or C. A goes to B, 2 units. C goes to B, 4 units. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. It cannot be 6 because the right hand side is 20. So A goes to C, 6 units. B goes to C, 4 units. 6 plus 4 is 10. Remaining it is 10 by 3. Why it is 10 by 3? A goes to C, B goes to C. Similarly, C goes to A and B goes to A. 21st, I hope it is clear. Beautiful question. 22nd. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 5. 1, 3, 7. This is A, B, 7. B, 7. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, for our understanding, we will use the distance method. There are 4 check case that will happen. If I take the point is to the left of minus 1, case 1, from here to here it is D. From here to here it is 2 plus D. From here to here 6, 6 plus D equivalent to 5. 3D, 8 minus 3, D minus 1. Distance cannot be negative. Left of 1 it is not possible. Just by visualization you will get the answer. Case 2. Take this value. From here to here D. From here to here it is 2 minus D. From here to here 3 to 7 is 4. 4 plus D equivalent to 5. Cancel. 6 plus D equivalent to 5. D negative, not possible. Between not possible. Case number 3. Case number 3. If I take this case, between 3 to 7, x minus 7 it is D. That is 4 minus D. These, from here I am taking, this is 4 minus D and it is 2. So it is 2 minus D equivalent to 5. Minus D plus D cancel. 2 minus D equivalent to 5. D negative. Now the reason why I am doing it is to tell you mathematically why in between the case is not possible. Why? Because I can do it with a gap method. But you might ask me, sir, can you prove it mathematically? What is 1 and 3 gap 2? What it is 5? How can it be possible? 3 and 7, what is the gap 4? What is here it is 5? How can it be possible? Case 4. If I take case 4. Case 4 anyway you will come to know. These 6 units, these 4. 10 units is the minimum. Answer is no value. Answer is no value. Mathematically also, why in between it is not possible? I hope you got the idea that two people keeping there is not done without any thinking process. First I did the mathematical value, then I kept some people there just to tell you. I hope 20-second it is clear. Answer is no value. Now 23rd. This is nothing but 3 into mod of x minus 2. This is nothing but 2 into mod of x plus 5 by 2 equivalent to 15. So this is nothing but 3 into mod of x minus 2 plus 2 into mod of x plus 2.5 equivalent to 15. The coefficient still now it is 1, but right now it is 2 and 3. No difference. No difference. If I take minus 2.5 and if I take 2, what is the coefficient? 2. 2 people are standing here. What is the coefficient of this? 3 people are standing here. Coefficient if it is 1, 1 person is standing. Coefficient if it is 2, 2 people are standing. Coefficient if it is k, k people are standing. Now it is easy. 2 to 2 minus 2.5, 4.5. He will travel 4.5. He will also travel 4.5. 4.5 into 2, 9. From 2, 9 already traveled. Remaining 6 units needs to be traveled. A reaches C, B reaches CDE. 5 people are going, which is nothing but 3.2. I hope this idea is clear. Next, these people will go here. 2 to minus 2.5 is 4.5. C travels 4.5. D travels 4.5. E travels 4.5. Total 13.5 is covered. From minus 2.5. Another 1.5 needs to be traveled, which is to the left of minus 2.5. By how many people? 5 people. Minus 2.5 minus 0.3, which is minus 2.8. Minus 2.8. I hope it is clear, right? Minus 2.8. In case if you got a doubt, you cross check it. Minus 2.8 minus 2 is minus 4.8. So 3 into 4.8. Minus 2.8 plus 2.5 is minus 0.3 into 2, which is 0.6, which is 15. I hope it is clear. Very, very good question. If the coefficients are other than 1, 2 or 3, because it is 2, I kept 2 people here. Because it is 3, I kept 3 people here. 2 to 2 minus 2.5 is 4.5. A C 4.5, D 4.5, E 4.5. So total 13.5 is covered. 23rd, I hope it is clear.